This tree is for Blenheim orange. Blenheim orange is ripe today. It's October 3rd today in central New York. You got a nice specimen of Blenheim orange. It's an old English heirloom apple. It's a bit resistant to fire blight and powdery mildew, but it does get apple scab. And yeah, this apple can store in cold storage for well over 3 months. Um, let me go ahead and get a bite. This one I was a ground apple. I pulled most of the tree's been picked already. Mm. Oh yeah, really nice full flavor. A little bit good, a little bit tart, a little good sugar acid balance. Reminds me a lot of Cox Orange Pippin, um, but much bigger and much fuller apple. Um, definitely a good cooking apple and good for baking because of the sheer size that these get. But yeah, really pretty rusting and everything. This is Blenheim Orange.